New guidelines from the CDC shave days off the isolation period for people who test positive for COVID-19. The move cut quarantine in half from 10 days down to 5. That applies to people who have tested positive but aren't showing any symptoms after those 5 days are up. The CDC also recommends wearing a mask around others for an additional 5 days.
And 10 News reporter Grace King explains how this decision could help local businesses stay open.
Staffing restaurants has not only been hard for the last 2 years, it's been especially hard for the last 2 to 4 weeks.
Brian Strutz of the Independent Restaurant Coalition says he and other business owners are seeing more COVID-19 cases.
We're all feeling the pressure, both from staffing shortages, but also from positive cases that are coming up.
Now, some restaurants are struggling to stay open.
They're also now being forced to close their doors again just because they don't have enough to work.
But with the Centers for Disease Control cutting the isolation period in half for those no longer showing symptoms, Strutz says they're cautiously optimistic.
This helps our industry, absolutely.
In Campbell County, the sheriff's office can't close.
We have to have these guys out here. We have to answer calls. The jail has to run.
While Sheriff Robbie Gowen says they're almost fully staffed, he knows COVID cases can change that quickly.
It's tough. It's challenging. Luckily, we have part-time people that kind of fill in the gap, but you have to look at the overtime.
He's encouraged by the new guidelines, even if it's on a case-by-case basis.
I do think that it will help us in some cases, so we're just going to have to wait and see,
Now, we did ask Knox County Schools how this new guidance will affect them, and KCS said it'll continue working with the health department on quarantines and isolations.
We know it's hard to keep track of all the changing COVID-19 guidance, so we want to help you get some answers. Just text those questions to us at 865-637-1010, and we will send you answers from the experts.